Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Central Oregon Shenanigans. Today, the old Danger Ranger. Doing a tune-up on it. I was letting the camera charge. Now don't mind the wind noise because it has been blowing bad out here. Started changing out the plugs. I've got 3 of them done. Nothing's tucked up, tightened, put where it's supposed to be yet. But yeah, we're going to be doing oil change, plugs, plug wires. I have a cap and rotor, but I don't think we're going to change that out today. I'm hoping that I've got a bad plug or one that's starting to shit out on me a little bit, but we will see. So a lot of this video is just going to be nothing but time lapse just because of the wind. The wind is pretty bad out here today, and it's raining and blowing, and if not, we're gonna get updates on what's going on, what everything looks like. So yeah, so let's get to it. NGKs, man, that's all I go with when I'm doing stuff like this. Not look bad, just dark, really dark. They've gotten hot at some point in time, but oops. Those are auto lights. Not an auto light guy. That's what they tried to sell me at Napa, was auto lights, and I was not having it. got this 9-mile long coil wire. Get that swapped out there. We'll see if this bad boy starts. Who knows? It might not start. I haven't done work on this truck in a long, long time. Definitely a good sign. So, air filters next. Super easy, but I've already popped it open. Haven't looked at it yet. I haven't looked at the air filter yet, so we will see how that thing looks. Just, oh, it's all kinds of dusty. Alright, now that all of that's done, the wind's finally calmed down, we're going to hop underneath of this thing and we're going to change the oil. I don't know when the last time the oil was actually changed on this, and I've driven it from my place to work 3 times now, and it's about a 70-mile round trip, so the oil definitely needs to be changed. I'm going to grab some tools and then we'll get back with this this little tune-up. I do have a cap and rotor, but I think I'm going to save that for another time when I've got more time. It's getting kind of late on Sunday, but we'll get her taken care of. Alright guys, apparently the last little 10 or 15 minute clip that I did on the Ranger, I didn't hit the button to start the video, so we got the oil changed, filters changed, plugs, plug wires, air filter. I even cleaned out the this little guy right here, and if you can see all of that nasty crap, that was all plugged up in that line, so the sprayer didn't work. About 3 weeks ago I bought new mirrors for this thing. If you remember the old ones, and I've thrown them away since then, they were duct taped back on. They didn't hold. The little spring inside was wore out. If anybody knows where I can get a set of, I don't even care if they're black, decent visors. I mean, I've got a lot of cleanup to do on this. I mean, today I'm still gonna take everything out of the back of this and get the canopy up off of here. But with all of that being said, I'm gonna call this a wrap. Courtney's gonna be home shortly. She's gonna help me out with that. So, yes, I know it's been a while, but the tune-up on the Ranger is done. The next thing we're gonna work on is the oil cooler for the white truck. I don't know when that video is gonna be out, but we will get it done. James is still working on the transmission, and I think he'll have a video up here in the next couple days. But as far as I go, this is a wrap for me. So comment down below, subscribe if you have not already, give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll catch you next time on Central Oregon Shenanigans. Bye guys.